How to connect Xbox controller to Xbox Series S or X. There are 3 different methods for this, but for all of them you'll need to make sure that you have the battery pack in first, or just your regular batteries. Make sure it's fully charged, and then once you do that, the first method will start with using the Xbox console. You want to go ahead and press this button on the side of the USB port of your Xbox console, and then there you should see it start flashing the Xbox button. Then you want to press the Xbox button in the middle of your controller to turn it on. Then you'll be able to go ahead and press the connect button at the top of your controller there, so it's flashing like so. Then both of them will flash together. Then you want to just press the button again at the top once. Then it should go ahead and connect like so. Once you see those buttons kind of go normal like this, then you'll be able to use the controller. So that's the first method. The second method is by using a USB cord like so. Put it into your Xbox like this, then connect it directly to your Xbox controller like so. Then once you do that, you'll be able to again press the Xbox button in the middle of your controller. And also, if that doesn't work straight away, then you can press the little button on the top of it there to connect it the same way. That should work, but there's a third method if all of those don't work. That is by pressing and holding the Xbox button for about 5 seconds. Then it will turn off and on, and then you should be able to do the other 2 methods and it will work. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.